Hello and welcome to Trinity Stamps. Let's take a close-up look at the new Lighthouse standalone die set from the new Sweet Summer Celebration collection. This is a 7-piece die set. When put together, the Lighthouse measures about 6 inches tall and just under 2 inches wide. These 7 dies are going to work together to create a really cool lighthouse. Here's the base itself. You can see there are embossed lines in the die cut itself. And then we have our supporting dies. This one right here creates a brick-like base and has embossed detail in it as well. The other die on the screen creates 3 window frames, die cutting them all at once, so you can add a little frame to each of those 3 windows. Next, we have these 2 dies that, when put together, create a really nice detail for the top of the main section of the lighthouse. You could die cut these from different colors or the same color as I've done here. It goes right here just above the windows. And then we have 2 more dies to embellish the top of the lighthouse. This skinny little piece will go at the base of that main light on the lighthouse. And then we have our decorative top piece. And you're going to glue this right to that skinny little lip right at the top of the die cut lighthouse. And that is the basic lighthouse. And then I'm going to show you how I embellished it even more and added it to a card just using some Copic markers and a white gel pen. Now, this card was made complete with the use of our layered peninsula stencil, which you can see on the screen to the right here. It's the perfect pairing for this die because it also creates that shine of light coming out of the lighthouse. Here you can see some other cards created by our design team for even more inspiration for this lighthouse die set. You can also find more inspiration from Trinity Stamps on our YouTube channel, Instagram, and Facebook too. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you all again very soon with a new video. Happy stamping! Bye!